So next in line with our series Get Started with Power BI, let us see the flow of work in Power BI. Flow of work. Okay. The common flow of activity looks like this. Okay. Let us follow this image and try to understand how the flow of work from one component or one element to other it moves, and what becomes what comprises a flow of work to get your Power BI visualization dashboard created and shared for viewing and accessed by your team members and other members in your organization. So what are the common flow of activities? Let us see that. Bring data and transform through Power Query in Power BI desktop. So this is the first part. As I told, that we can import all various types of datas, raw datas, or that can be a text file, Excel file, CSV file, all right, or it can be a database or a website or a SharePoint data list. And also you import your data, okay, in Power BI. You bring your data and you do the transformation using the Power BI query editor. Okay, so what are the transformation we'll see in our forthcoming video tutorials. Those transformation belongs to changing your raw data with the as per the Power BI formats and requirement, where we remove the unwanted rows and columns, and we remove the unwanted columns, and we replace some typographical errors, and we do the formatting. We correct the data types, whether it is proper data type selected for each column, whether it is date, whether it's whether it's a number, whether it's a text, okay, whether it's a web URL. So all those data transformation which is required for Power BI to transform your raw data, it is being done here in the process through Power BI query editor. Okay, then you create, once you have created once you have transformed the data, you create new visualizations. You add those bar charts, pie charts, line charts, okay, scatter charts, waterfall charts, and you build your visualization reports, okay, and then you publish to your Power BI service for building the dashboard and sharing the dashboard with other team members of your organization. Okay, so after the visualization is created, it is shared and published. It is published and shared via Power BI service, okay, with other team members of your organization. So how everyone of your team members to whom we have shared the reports, how are they going to view and access those reports? They can access the reports through their mobile devices, through their tab, through their laptops and desktop. Okay, so view and interact with shared dashboards and reports in Power BI mobile apps or through your laptops and desktops. All right, so that's the entire flow of work within Power BI. It starts from your raw data, from your data source, okay, till it is finally prepared. The dashboard, visualization dashboard, is prepared and shared and through Power BI service and accessed by your team members through your mobile devices, laptops and desktops. That's the journey of Power BI reports and dashboard creation. Well, friends, that brings us to the end of our first series, that is Get Started with Power BI. That's all about the first series. Get started with Power BI. Hope you have liked it. Type in your comments and feedback about the series and show your keenness and interest to jump into the next series in line. Meanwhile, if you have not yet liked and subscribed to my channel Rafiq Online Training, I request you to do so and spread the word about the free video tutorials on Learn Reporting with Power BI. Till then, remember always, it's learn and grow with Rafiq Sheikh. Goodbye for now. Thank you.